Hello everybody, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tahina, and on here we do hauls, Temu hauls, Dollar Tree, Five Below, anything like that, anything that's not like Amazon or Walmart or anything like that. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Let's see, what am I going to start with? Okay, let me start with this bag. I wanted to get some hand soap. And I did not realize this. This is a bigger bottle. It's 32 ounces. But I did not realize that it's the exact same one I have in my bathroom now. I wanted to get something different. But they had it in this one and they had it in a white one. I want to say it was like vanilla something. Like coconut vanilla or something like that. And this was $1.25. So I got the refill one instead of getting a regular soap. I'm looking for the fall soaps. That's why I didn't grab because I usually get like 2 soaps every time I go there. Or every month I should say. And before I forget, if you've seen my Dollar Tree hauls before, you would know that I always get this drink. It's the Pac-Man G Fuel. Sadly, this was the only one that they had. So, I only got one, which sucks. Next up, I was actually shocked that my Dollar Tree had like a whole load of these items. I seen somebody showing these. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Jelly Eye Mask, and they had 4 boxes. There was a couple that were taken out of each box, but the majority of the boxes were full. Which is shocking because I've never seen anything at my Dollar Tree that stocked before, like any one item. So I did get 2 of these, and then I got 2 of the caffeine depuffing jelly eye masks because a couple weeks ago my fiance was talking about how we got like bags and puffiness, and I seen somebody show this in a shop with me, and I was like, I hope we get those, because if we get those I'm going to get 2 of each. That way we can both do our eyes. And as the next time I went to the Dollar Tree, they were there. So these next items that I'm going to show you, when I picked these up, there was a lady that asked if they were good, and I told her that I watched somebody that every time she sees them, the yellow ones are always gone. Or there's like only a couple of those or whatever. And so we just started talking about stuff. And she started telling me a line that okay, I did get something from that line. She started telling me about a line that she uses, and she only uses that. She has all 3 or 4 items of that line. And the line has different colors. Like there's a blue, a green, a pink, a peach, and I think she said it was a white line too, and they all do different stuff, but she picks the blue one, right? And she says she's sensitive skin, like she can't even wear lotion and stuff. But I got the eye cream just to try this line out, and this is the Smooth and Lifting Collagen Eye Cream by Global Beauty Care. And so she says she only uses this line, and she says everybody comments on her skin and everything, and she's like, I'm even a grandma, and I don't look it, and I only wear it at night. I don't do it during the day because I did it last night. I didn't do it this morning, and it looks like there's something on my face, and her face is like clearer and stuff. So I did get the eye cream. I didn't want to get all of it because she showed me the other lines. And I was just checking it out, and the other lines, the green one is blemish control. And I have issues, I don't know why, but every now and then I have issues where, especially on my chin, I'll break out and stuff. And so I thought the green line would be better for me. So I got the blemish and dark spot treatment. It's a cream gel. Okay, yeah, I only got one of these. But I did get 2 of these. The Blemish Control Pore Clearing Scrub. Because I usually, not lately, and I'll tell you why, but usually I have issues with blackheads, especially like here and like right here, for whatever reason. And I tried a product, it's about 20 bucks, and it's a little bigger than this, and I ran out of it. But when I started using that, I never had blackheads. And it's been, I want to say a few months since I ran out. It's probably been 6 months since I ran out of it. And I haven't seen a blackhead yet. I do want to get that stuff, but I thought this might help and it might be a cheaper, because I'm cheap. So like, I'd rather pay $1.25 than pay $20. You know what I mean? So if this actually works like the other one, then I'll be happy and I'll just get a bunch of these. So like I said, I did get 2 of those. Yeah, okay, I got 2 of those, and then I got the Blemish Control Oil-Free Clarifying Cleanser. Now, I believe there's a moisturizer as well. I did not get that because I just bought a moisturizer from L'Oreal, and you know, I barely have like touched that one, so I didn't want to get more moisturizer. And then she did show me that they had the Smooth and Lifting Spa Treatment Sheet Mask as well. But she said with the sheet mask, she's only seen it in the blue. She hasn't seen it in the other colors. So yeah, I thought I'd try to give that line a try. Let's see. Some of the stuff I'm not hauling. It's like blah. Like I got a thing of bleach, not the small one. Mine actually had the larger one, the 96 ounce. So I was happy about that. And we did get snackies, and he has gone through his snackies, so I can't show you those. But he did see these body washes, and he needed some body wash, and he picked the sugar and key lime scent. He liked the smell of it. It definitely smells like key lime. And then they also have, I always, you know, wondered about these ones. But the one I knew I wanted to get was the sea salt and cedar scented one. And they actually had it. So it smells so good. I love this. They had the peach one too, and the pineapple one, and the coconut one as well. I can't remember if I smelled the coconut one or not, because when I seen this, I was just like, I'm getting that one. I know I smelled the peach and the pineapple one, and it does smell like peach and pineapple, but I wasn't really into it. And then he chose this one by Yves St. Clair, the pineapple papaya. And I'm probably smelling the papaya because I really don't smell pineapple in here. I might smell like a little hint of it, but he wanted it, so we got that. The snackies, like I said, his snackies are gone. He ate them already before I could even film. But I did get these snackies. These are the Welch's Original Caramel Chocolate, the sugar-free ones. I love these kinds. The ones I love the most are the apple ones. I've tried the apple chews and the apple hard ones with the caramel in the middle. Oh my gosh, those are my favorite. But they do not come in sugar-free. And I'm on keto, so I can't have them. And that sucks like super, super bad. But, because they had, I believe they had both of them. And I was like, oh man. Or they might have just had the chewies. But I wanted them so bad. But I was like, no, I'm going to stick to keto this time. And the other thing that I like to get are the Russell Stouffer sugar-free coconut bars. Actually, the coconut bars, I would say, are like my second favorite. My favorite is the toffee. But they didn't have it. They only had these, the caramel, and the mint. And I usually like mint, but I don't like their mints for whatever reason. I'm going to show you this last because I'm going to try it on camera just to see. So, what else? Okay. We were looking down the aisle, I guess the makeup aisle. The one we go to, not mine, but the one we went to, for some reason the makeup aisle is always like, there's never anything in the makeup aisle. Like there's just like random stuff. But he did see these and he thought they were weird, but I thought they'd be good for when I go to do my nails. These nail clippers, and I got them in the green one. They had like pink, I think they had purple, and maybe white or something, but I got the green ones. And hopefully I'll do my nails. And then next up, I did get this Curad, I don't know how to say it. Let's see, I'm trying to see if there's like a specific, extra large plastic bandage. I did get 2 of these because I'm not going to tell his business, but he needed them. So, yeah, so next up, I did want to say, I know a lot of people, their stores are starting to do the $1.50 stuff, and that is true, but my store, we bought something with one of those red stickers, so you don't know what the price is, right? But we bought one of those items the other day. It's like a toothbrush thing, like a set with like a little mirror and stuff. But it rang up $1.25. So my store, for some reason, has not done it yet. But the store that we went to today actually is doing it. So I went down the fall Halloween aisle. They didn't have much, but I seen this pillow and I thought it was so cute. I wish it was a little bit bigger because it's kind of small. Well, I guess it's the same size as the little square pillow, but it looks a little small to me. And this had the little red circle on it, and I've seen people I've seen people show this like in a shop with me, and they're like, I don't know what the price is. These are $6. The Halloween pillows are not $5 anymore, they're $6. Because I believe she kept saying they were $7 because of the circle, but they're not, they're $6. And then I also got this one. I thought this was cute, and it had the same thing. This was $6 too. And they had, I know, they had a cauldron. I didn't think it was as cute, so I didn't grab that one. And then they had another one shaped like this. I think it said spooky because last year they had a black one like this that said spooky, and it was in like a rainbow color. I got that last year. So the other pillow that was like this, I'm pretty sure it did say spooky because I didn't even bother looking at it because I was like, I already got that one. So, but it wasn't the same one. It wasn't like in the rainbow colors as far as I know. But yeah, there's like a little cauldron that's like about this big. And I didn't think it was cute enough to buy or whatever. There is one thing I'm missing, and I think he took it. It was a little set of Domino's double nines. I was hoping they had the big ones because we have Domino's here, but I have no idea where they are. I know they're here because I've seen them here before, but every time it's my fiance's birthday, he wants me to find them, and for the last couple years I haven't been able to find them for whatever reason. Okay, and the last snacky, I just wanted to try it out with you guys or whatever. is the Big's sunflower seeds, and this is sizzling bacon. I think they had like a spicy one or whatever, but I can't do spice. I'm like a straight up white girl. I can't do it. Even though I'm like, I mix with a bunch of stuff, but like the majority, I'm Portuguese, so you would think spice wouldn't matter to me, but no. Like, I could barely deal with like medium salsa, and I have to have a drink with me if I'm going to deal with that. Oh, I have a cutter. Okay, but I did want to try this, you know, with you guys just to see. I don't think they're going to be good. Oh, and there's no zipper. Not zipper, a ziplock. I thought there was a ziplock here, but there's not, which kind of sucks. But yeah, I'm gonna try them. I just got them just trying because I like bacon, but I don't think they're gonna be good, to be honest. Like, I know there's a pickle one, and I was like, I love pickles, but I don't think it's gonna be good. Let's see. Okay, I think I'm just gonna try one because, like, if they're like super, super bad, I'm probably just gonna throw them one. Okay, they do taste like bacon, but like the imitation bacon, you know what I mean? Like not the soy bacon, like the bacon bits, but like, you know, like the bacon you could put in the microwave and it'll be crispy. But, you know, it's just on the kernel. So, or not the kernel, it's just on the, you know, the shell. So, like, you can bypass it, like, just suck the flavor off. I wouldn't, like, buy these again, but they're not as bad as I thought they were going to be, though. Oh, I should have took a picture with that shit. So, yeah, I would give them, like, a rating 1 out of 5. I would give them, a 2, but not because the flavor is bad or anything like that. Just because I don't think it goes with sunflower seeds. You know what I mean? I would say a 3, but like I said, the bacon and the sunflower seeds do not mix. You know what I mean? Okay, so that's my haul. Like I said, there was a couple other little things that I didn't show because, you know, they're just blah stuff. Or my fiance used them, ate them, whatever. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.